All right, here I was doing an oil change on a 21 Jeep Wrangler with the 2.0 liter engine, and I just want to show all the quick information. It takes 5W30, takes 5 quarts of that. Drain plug is a 13 millimeter. The torque on the drain plug is 20 foot-pounds, and then down here is the OEM filter number if you want to use OEM. And then the rest of this video is just me showing where everything's at. So at the top here, you got your, on the left, you got your dipstick, and in the middle, you got your oil cap. And it says 5W30 at the top of that, so that's easy. And at the bottom here, it's also pretty simple. You got your oil filter on the left, and then here you got your 13 millimeter drain bolt. So super easy. This is what the OEM filter looks like if you're gonna buy one. I personally like to use OEM. Reset your oil life. You're gonna put your car in the run position, put engine off, go down here, press down to this number 2 vehicle info, and then go to the side where it says oil life. And then it says hold OK to reset. So you just hold that and it'll reset. And then you could also press down on the gas pedal 3 times all the way down with the engine off. Yeah, and the car in the run position. So if you have any questions, just let me know and I can try to help you out.